Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Catalyst here. So, I've been having a lot of problems with finding a add-on car that's working, everything like that. So, here's my thing. I finally found a way to make add-ons work in 2019. Today's date is 5/17/2019. May 17th, 2019. Alright, so, what we're going to start out with. You're going to find an add-on that you would want. So, it doesn't really matter what you've got. Just find something that you want. So whether it's a police car, whether it's, a Huracan, whatever you want, we will get. So we'll go ahead and download Addon Martin and close that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this. So there's two methods. Replace method is pretty simple. Here's the add-on method. So we're gonna take this, put this on your desktop. We're gonna do it 2 times. So you guys know it works. This one is different. So basically, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna link a Addon template to begin. That, and then you're gonna open it up. It's gonna come up like this. There's your add-on template. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag this folder on your desktop. I already have it here. And you're going to open it. Alright? So, don't mess with this. This has got some files in it that you're might need. That type of thing. Anyway. Let's do this. So, you're going to have your data folder, your resource Lua. Resource Lua is just going to have, what to load up and shit like that. So, what you're going to do is you're going to open up I'll open this up, it's easier. You're going to need OpenIV. I'm going to link a description to download OpenIV, but yeah, you're going to need OpenIV. So, OpenIV is basically just to do add-ons. So you're going to open this up. It's going to bring up OpenIV. I'm going to just wait for it to start. Then what you're going to do is you're going to start out your X64, your vehicles RPF. Here's your vehicles. You're going to do this. You're going to drag it into your stream folder. Alright, you're going to go back, and then you're going to go to your data. It's going to have your car variations, DLC text, etc. Drag that into your data folder. Alright, and then that should be it for that. Very, very easy. And again, this is going to be to load up into your FIVEM server, whether there's ESX, FX, sitmap. It's not going to work. That's obviously from like 3 years ago. So, you're pretty much done here. So what you're going to do is, you're going to go into, and you're going to drag, make sure your Bugatti shit, make sure you have your DLC RPF that you're going to get from, basically like your DLC RPF here. You're going to need that to drag into here, just in case anything goes wrong with it. So you're going to copy it, and you're going to paste it into here. So, this should work, technically. So, alright, so what we're going to do is, we're going to rename this. So I'm going to rename it to 2019 Bugatti Devo. I'm going to name that to that. Let me do this real quick. We're going to delete this folder. Now we're going to rename it to Devo so it didn't overwrite it. Alright, so that should be done. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go into where your server is. So FX server. Alright, you see this? You're going to get this open. First off, you're going to go into here. You're going to go to CFG. See, you're going to... Here, I'll just do this. Alright, you're going to come down in here. You're going to hit Start 2019 Bugatti Devo. Alright, then you're going to save it. File save. Alright. So, most of the time, when you download a file, it's going to come with a README. In this case, it didn't, I guess, for the Addon Martin. But what you're going to do is go into your folder, your stream, and then you see whatever this says here, Devo, is going to be your spawn name. Alright? So you're going to come back out of here. You're going to run your server, start.bat, assuming that you already have everything set up with your server. You should be good. So, you're going to come back, you're going to close that out, minimize that, minimize this, go into your FIVEM, start up your FIVEM. Alright, once that's done, takes a couple seconds, goes, there it goes. I'm going to localhost. Load it up. Don't mind me, this is just a test server. I do have a regular server and stuff like that, but this is just my test server to be able to add shit into my test server. Okay, so then when that's done, it takes a couple seconds, load up, that type of thing. Meanwhile, I can play some single player. Oh, and it loads too fast. Alright, so you're going to need a menu to spawn this in, whether it's Lambda, your trainer. I have vMenu, vehicle related options. I'm going to go to vehicle spawner. I'm going to turn on my sound a little bit so it's not ear raping you guys. Alright, so make sure this is still good. Alright, vehicle spawner, spawn vehicle by name. It's going to be the same thing I told you guys, Devo. Alright, I'm back. So, I'm going to give you guys a perfect example of why it is important to make sure your resources are spelled right. So, if you can see this, it's called Bugatti Devo instead of Bugatti. So, what I did was I accidentally renamed it, or named it something different, I guess. So, make sure this is spelled exactly the same way as your resource. So, 2007 or 2019 Bugatti Devo. So, that's all good. Same files, everything. Stream, Devo, data, same thing. Alright? So, what we're going to do, go back, exit out of that, open FIVEM up again. Alright? So, we'll do that. Alright, localhost, or it'll be whatever your direct connect option is. Whatever your server IP is, it'll be that. So, we're going to load back in, show you guys that it actually does work, and I'm not just bullshitting you. Alright. Once it loads in, alright, we're good. Alright, so you can see, ready? You open up your menu, vehicle options, spawner, or you can do /car if you have that command. We're going to spawn in Devo, and boom, there it is. Oh, man. Drive it around a little bit. We'll no clip out of here so we can get it on the street. Alright, where do we want to go? Go down Route 68. Go down a little bit, down a little bit, and through the map. Alright, ready? Now we'll see. Apparently somebody said that this goes, see if they have this. There should be a mod menu. We'll go to all the engine upgrades and turbo. Show how fast this thing goes. Yeah, it even has working spoilers, everything else like that. As you can see, this thing is pretty damn fast. Even here, the custom vehicle options, everything else like that. Now, if it looks a little laggy, it's because I'm running a bunch of different stuff in the background. I'm very, very sorry. But anyway, that is the end of that video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. And on that note, I am out.